Good morning, Wall Street winners. It is just after noon Eastern time on January 7th, and it has been a turbulent morning in the markets. Things started off rather positive and in the green, but with the release of US ISM or industrial service manufacturing numbers, we saw those were the highest they've been in 20 months, and that caused a bit of a scare in the market and has caused things, for the most part, to move into the red, with the exception of healthcare. So healthcare is still maintaining a green and positive perspective for the day. You've got transport, a bit of a mixed bag. JB Hunt is off just slightly though, 42 cents, and CNR, Canadian National Railroad, is up slightly, $1.55. We slide into oil. Crude has been bouncing around and been above and below 74 today. It's now currently above 74 by 17 cents. And crude stocks, for the most part, are up, although they're making some pretty volatile moves. And some of them looking like they're about to head into the green, although they could correct. So it's been a rocky morning for oil. It's also been a rocky morning for NVIDIA. NVIDIA up significantly in the pre-market due to the CEO of NVIDIA, Jensen Huang, making a statement or making statements at CES in Las Vegas in regards to a new computer gaming chip, an RDX chip from NVIDIA coming out this year, and then talking about a number of other enhancements and things going on, really future and more news oriented than data driven or actual factual data at this point in time, more forward-looking guidance. But NVIDIA is now off significantly for the day. One of the few semis that's maintained its gains so far is Micron Technologies. So it's still up in the 103, 104 range, but a lot of red on the screen in the NASDAQ's list of stocks that we follow. Microsoft having pulled back into the mid 420s. You've got ARM dropping into the mid 140s. You have Meta off significantly from yesterday, down $12. It was down a little bit more earlier, but it has bounced back a little bit. Tesla under 400 now. You have Google, which was up at 201, now down at 197, 198 in that range. And NVIDIA off almost $8 at the 141.63. And then we scroll down to financials, and a bit of a mixed bag here as well. So I would have thought that financials were going to have a pretty good day based on the pre-market, but a lot of them took a pretty big dip at the open. Now, some of them have recovered, some of them have started to recover. Goldman, this was one I've been following, released a short on. I think there was a ton of opportunity in here. At least I took advantage of it today. It's back at 581.31 and still climbing. I think you've got the ability for this one to get back up to at least 583 where it opened, but I'd expect it might get up to 587, 588 by the end of the trading day if things continue here. So less affected, I believe, by the ISM numbers than some consumer discretionary and some of the NASDAQ stocks. But that's where we are today at around noon. Good luck with your trades, and if you're